Hello students, Callie Daniels here, and in this video we're going to take a look at your MyLabMath quizzes. Your quizzes are found on the Quizzes and Tests tab in MyLabMath. And when you open this tab, you're going to see your due dates and times for each quiz, the quiz name, the time limit, 120 minutes, which is really twice as much time as I expect you to need, and the number of attempts allowed for each quiz, which is 5. Let's go ahead and open a sample quiz, and I'm just going to arbitrarily choose quiz number 4 to open. Once you do open that, you're going to see the quiz name, the number of questions, the due date and time, your number of attempts, and see that the late submission penalty is 10%. If you're working a quiz after the due date and time, you will get a 10% reduction in your grade. I'm going to go ahead and start this test so we can take a look at it and see what it looks like. You'll complete your quizzes just like you do your homework problems, except you'll see that there are no help features, and you will complete the quiz in its entirety before you'll submit it and be able to see your grade and your score. If by chance you need to stop out of a quiz, you can just hit the X, close it out, and then come back at a later time and reopen that quiz number 4 link and finish the test. Now once you have completed a quiz, you can go to your grade book and you can review your score on that quiz itself. And I definitely do recommend that you do that so that you can learn from your mistakes. So you'll review those just as you do your homework. You'll see that mine are showing incomplete right now because I haven't completed them. But once you do complete one, you can review it, see the problem, see your score, learn from your mistakes, and then retake that quiz a second or third, fourth, or fifth time. Now, one caveat to that is that in order to open your second attempt on any quiz, your homework grades need to be 80% or better. So the moral to that story is do your homework. Always shoot for your best score of 100% on homework. Then you get to take your quizzes and have multiple attempts, and we'll keep your best grade. That's MyLabMath Quizzes. This is Callie Daniels. Enjoy the math.